Here goes our first car of the day. Well, Matt just brought over a 67 Dodge Coronet. This is a 4-door. And I noticed this is kind of like some of the others. It's a Flintstone car. You can see the ground through the floor. A lot of these old cars is like that. Deluxe edition. And looks like he's bringing in a Charger. This one he brought in is the 66 Charger. Still got a motor in there. Looks like the squirrels been using it at the home. This is a 2-door, but these 2 doors are so big. Yeah, you fit 4 seats in them. See, you even got a console in the back. And then a huge trunk area. I like this dashboard. I've got briars growing up through the floorboard, so it's hard to see the dash. I'm not getting into the briars. It's pretty cool. Looks like he just brought in another Charger. I'm not having so much insides left of it, especially there's no floor. Can you see my foot? Looks like this one was the 66 also. Then he brought in a 69 Charger RT. I think this is a little too far gone. That's a special edition. But the point of this whole salvage yard is to keep other cars running. And this car is keeping other cars running. Wow. I think this one falls out of the category of our 66 to 76. That pretty baby weighs. I am totally in love with this car. It's a Dodge Coronet. I don't know what year model. I'd say in the 50s, but I don't see the markings to tell me what it is. It still says Coronet on the side. Look at this. It is amazing. Let's see, we got headlights, fuel, panel lights, and wiper. Got your fuel gauge. Surely this thing has more than 34,000 miles. I bet it only has 34,000 miles on it. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get around all the briars. No cassette tapes back in these days. Wow, I just love all of this. Had the little roll-up windows on the side.
On the ground.
A mouse! I didn't know what he was pointing to. It was a mouse on the ground. We got a Belvedere coming up next. Another oldie but goodie. Okay, Matt just brought in another 50 model. 50's, I don't know what year model. This is a Plymouth Belvedere. Made in the USA. And this thing still has a motor in it. Belvedere. Let's see if I can get in here where I can get a picture of the dash. Sorry, I can't get the door open, so I was trying to get the interior of it. The Belvedere. How you like that back glass? Rounded. I love all the detail in these old vehicles. They just don't make stuff like this anymore. Love it. I don't know where these came from. I like these cool little handles and locks. Isn't that neat? Way back to the 70s again. Sebring Plus. Come from Arkansas, 1984s where it was last tagged. Oh yeah, here we go. '71. It says it's got 75,000 miles. That's some cool plaid interior. Looks like it may have been changed. Got no cigarette lighter in it. Still no cassette tapes back in these days. So this one's a 66. Still a roll of toilet paper. I bet it's still good. But I don't know about anything else. What, the door's shut? Can you believe that? That's crazy. As rough as this thing looks, the door's still shut perfectly. Still got the key in the trunk. Don't even have a front end. Let me see how this door shuts. Crazy. Oh, well. She's seen better days, even though her door is shut good. Here comes another convertible. She's got a little bit of rust. I bet this was someone's pride and joy back in the day. I think it's around 66, 67. Just about all gone. Oh, this is a Plymouth Sport Fury. Matt's bringing in another convertible. Looks like this one's a Coronet 440 convertible. And all of these cars are for parts only. These cars in the salvage yard are not for sale. There are some project cars that Ted has for sale. You have to call the office, 256-247-1332. But those project cars are put away. There's some in California. There's some here. But these are just parts cars. These are, if they made it in the salvage yard, they will not be sold. Some more push button. Got the defrost and all on push button. Still got the keys in the ignition. Look at that. If you look at the floorboards, you can tell. See, the floor pans are completely gone. They're just rotted out. Most of these cars in the salvage yard, that's the way they are. Looks like this one is a 65 Coronet 440. It says it comes with a slant 6. Got a big 4-door coming in. Got a gold duster coming in. So this is a 73 gold duster. Still has the ignition keys in it. The green gold duster with the black stripe. Last one for the day is a satellite. Well, we got 22 cars set today on Tuesday, July the 16th. We're fixing to call it quits. And we'll see what we can get done tomorrow.